There is this misconception that foreign bank accounts are where you can hide your secret money. But frankly, you haven't been able to do this since the 1990s. We have something called the CRS, the Common Reporting Standard, and also for US citizens something called FATCA, which I don't care what it stands for because it's the US. And basically, pretty much every country, except for a few basically terrorist nations, will supply your bank account information in that country to your country of tax residency or citizenship. Some countries do it all the time, like Australia will report, I think, twice a year to this information exchange thing, but other countries might only do it every few years. Regardless, it's not a good place to hide your secret money, and that's just because it's not a secret. This also goes for signatories on these accounts. So say you set up a foreign trust foundation company and you put yourself as a signatory on the bank account, it will still get reported under the CRS. I'm sure someone's thinking, let's just do it in crypto, that's going to be secret. But crypto exchange accounts held by foreign entities will also be subject to a CRS reporting kind of thing in like 2028. So the OECD is currently in the process of building that. Financial privacy is not a crime. There is nothing criminal about being private, but governments don't like what happens in private places. And we saw this effect with the Panama Papers, the Paradise Papers, the Pandora Papers, the Papalapa Papers, whatever's next. Foreign entities and foreign bank accounts should be approached with extreme caution, not without a good advisor. If you go to an agent direct, they will tell you to get a foreign bank account and a foreign company and 3 or 4 trusts because it lines their pockets. Very rarely is it a good idea unless you get a quality plan from an advisor. Hey, like I do, that sort of thing. That being said, you can't just come to me and say, I want to offshore all my income. It doesn't work like that. It only works in certain circumstances if you have an international connection. The main connection that's relevant is if you have a foreign business or a business that operates internationally. We can have foreign income in these foreign accounts. We can even reduce our tax bills substantially, completely legally. What we can't do is tax evasion. Tax evasion equals not reporting your income, sending it overseas, doing silly things like that. We can't do that. Thanks for coming to my International Bank Account Reporting TED Talk.